Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX versus UX. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular luxury SUVs to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. The RX is a mid-size SUV, offering generous space and robust performance. In contrast, the UX is a subcompact crossover, designed for nimble city driving and efficiency. Both uphold Lexus's reputation for quality. When it comes to performance, the RX typically boasts more powerful engine options, including V6 and various hybrid powertrains, with up to 366 horsepower. The UX, however, focuses on efficiency, usually featuring a 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine. Size-wise, the RX is a larger vehicle, about 192.5 inches long, offering greater cargo capacity and more passenger legroom. The UX is more compact, at around 177 inches, making it ideal for urban maneuverability. Regarding features, the RX often comes equipped with a broader range of advanced standard technologies and larger infotainment screens. However, the UX presents a more accessible entry point into Lexus luxury, with a lower starting price. Both SUVs deliver premium interior materials, comfortable cabins, and the comprehensive Lexus safety system plus suite, ensuring a high level of safety and refinement for all occupants. So, which Lexus is better for you? If you need ample space for family, frequent long journeys, or desire more powerful engine options, the RX is likely your best choice. For those navigating city streets, prioritizing fuel efficiency, and seeking a more compact, agile vehicle, the UX shines. Consider your daily driving habits and space requirements. Also, remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.